Hola, buenos dias. We are in Sucre. We made it here yesterday. We took a car from Tarija to here. It's about an 8-hour drive. And we're gonna check out a few sites in the center of town. We're also staying in the center as well, so very close. And the first place is the Teatro Gran Mariscal. So I was just telling Olivia, like, this place right here, this area reminds me of, I'm not sure the name, but it's in Paris, and it has like the Ritz-Carlton and a bunch of like high-end brands around it. We went there for like drinks a couple years back. Let's get a good view of it.
Vamos.
Sí, vamos, vamos.
Vamos.
There it is, Teatro Gran Mariscal, Sucre. It's like a beautiful square here. All of the architecture is mostly like with the traditional white stucco painting with like the red terracotta roofs. Very old colonial town. And the weather's perfect, probably about 70 degrees right now. Right down the street we have Parque Bolivar. So we're gonna head over there and take a look, see what's over there. And then head to a couple more sites. Jen? Here we are inside the park. It's pretty chill. They got some places for kids to play and like ride little cars and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. So it's daytime obviously, but you can see they have a lot of Christmas things set up at nighttime. Kind of like the park we went to last night. There's a lot of lights all over the place. Very beautiful. But we didn't film it. But this looks like it's like the same. This is definitely the most festive city we've been to in Bolivia. You don't see too much Christmas stuff in the other parts that we've been to. And this is the main attraction here. Have like just like bumper water cars here, and they have like this kind of like Eiffel Tower. And if you want, you can walk all the way up. I'll pass on that, but I think this looks very nice when it's all lit up. And it seems like right now it's very geared towards kids. A lot of kids activities back there, like playgrounds, bouncy houses, things like that. And then like another huge kids park right across the street for kids to play. Oh, check this dog out. Hey guys, we are at the Central Market and we just got a juice. We'll order the juice, 1 blackberry, 1 mango. And it's really cheap, it's less than $1, like 75-80 cents. And they have many options. So this reminded us when we were in Cusco. I think it was Cusco, maybe it was Lima, I can't remember. Probably both. There's like many juice stalls you can choose from. And very, very cheap, very fresh, 100%. So there's other places here you can buy like vegetables, fruits, meat. So we're gonna check those out as well. And here we can see this is where all the fruits and vegetables are. Many, many options. So on the second floor, you have many options to buy food. A lot of it's chorizo, different types of soups. But the place that I had on my list is actually right around the corner from here. I thought it might be inside. I couldn't really tell from the map. So after we drink the juice, we're gonna head to that place and get some chorizo. Let's go back ahead and get the juice. Alright, we just finished lunch and we're at the Plaza 25th of May. 25 de Mayo. And this is where we were last night. You can see all these lights. They were all lit up very beautifully. And across the street, there's a lot of beautiful buildings across, but this is the Casa de Real. Straight ahead here. But the park last night was extremely crowded. You could barely walk through it. We weren't expecting that. We were just trying to get something to eat. And everybody was here yesterday on a Sunday around 8-9 p.m. Here it is a little bit up close here. Casa de Real. And then directly across the street, we have the Casa de Libertad. Casa de Libertad. That's just right over here on the other side. Take a closer look. Last point of interest, we're going to check out the Iglesia de San Felipe de Neri. So a church. I've walked past it a couple of times when I was going to the market, but I didn't have my camera to film it. So once we film this, that'll be all of like the historic and touristic sites of like the city center. Like I said, there's not really much here to see, but it's a very chill, peaceful place. So if you want to come someplace where you can relax from the hustle and bustle of like La Paz, for example, this is a great place to do so. So we're only here for a few days, 4 or 5 days, and then we're heading back to La Paz to take our flight out. Let's check out the church. And here we are at Felipe Church. It's very hard to get like a really good view and picture of the church just because of how it's situated. But you can see like the front part at the top here, and then the side. It's not that big, but definitely a very beautiful church. Wrap it up for this Sucre video. Like I said, it's not really much here. It's a beautiful colonial town, but we've seen so many of these throughout our travels through South America, especially in Colombia and Ecuador. So if I had to do it all over again, I probably would have skipped Sucre and went to the other city, Santa Cruz. It's a little bit further away, but I hear a lot of people rave about it from people that I've just spoken to here in Bolivia, in different parts. They all say the food's the best there. It's a very beautiful place. The weather's great. So I'm gonna have to check that out on another travel when I come back to South America. I'll just stop in Santa Cruz for a few days and check it out. But yeah, if I would have known, I probably just would have done that and skipped Sucre. But it's all right. It's a nice place, beautiful weather. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.